Hi, this is Waraypinay, and welcome to the first episode of Listen to Learn. This podcast is a platform where you will get to know personal views and learn from others about a certain topic. Before we start, make sure to like and follow our FB page and YouTube account, WARAYPINAYCHANNEL, so you'll never miss our latest videos. Wherever you are, I hope you are doing great today. The COVID-19 pandemic affected everyone in different ways. It created a new way of living for us, which we never thought would happen years ago. With all the negative impact we heard and saw on TV programs and social media platforms, our topic for this night is the other way around. In this first episode of our podcast, we will discuss about the silver lining that we can get out from this experience. Let's reflect on our question for this day. What wisdom did the COVID-19 pandemic situation taught you? Let's listen to the answers of those who shared their experience.
What I have learned from this pandemic is that life is so uncertain. The reason why we should give offer help and love as much as we can to our neighbor, not just to our relatives and family member and friends. Be thankful for all the things that you have. May it be a simple blessing or a big blessing that comes your way. Share your blessing to those who are in need, especially in this trying time that resources are very scarce. What else? Pay particular attention to your health. Be well. Get vaccinated, not just for your own safety, but also it is your responsibility as a steward. Laugh often and see things positively.
The pandemic helped you realize what's more important in life and where other things that didn't have as much value can be less of a focus in improving on oneself and especially being patient. Even when things aren't going your way, you still try your best and stay positive.
There are so many lessons this pandemic taught me. One of this is the importance of faith. I never thought this will ever happen in our lifetime, never. But I realized that this is God's way of telling us something like, hey, you've been attached to this world. Be still, trust Him, and focus on your mission to do good to other people and follow His will.
Pandemic taught me that life is short. We need to spend it with people who make you laugh and feel loved.
Thank you for the participants who shared their answers to our question for the day. I know most of us can relate to their answers, such as having faith in God, realizing the things that are important to us, the value of sharing with others, and spending time with people who make us feel loved and valued. To add on the list, I would like to share these things that we can do during this pandemic. Number 1 is to watch over your health and the health of your family as well. Number 2 is to pray for everyone. Empathy is very crucial because all of us are facing different challenges in our day-to-day life, especially during this health risk. Number three is to invest in new skills. If you have an opportunity to check on some online platform who offer free skill courses, then that would be good. So that as you, it will be a diversional way um, of your of spending your spare time. And number four is to value the peace of mind and heart. Another thing is to have yourself checked, and don't forget to reach out to your friends if you need someone to talk to. I hope you enjoyed our podcast and sharing this night, and hope to have you as our audience again in our next topics to come. Have a great day. Bye.